the word of Elohim stated that the blessing of Yahuwah, it makes rich and it adds no sorrow. I can speak about that. Look at all this blessing in abundance. Beautiful blessing, beautiful blessing. Look at the size. Look at the size of this tomato. It is gigantic. What's the name of this tomato, baby? Heirloom. Heirloom tomato. It is gigantic. This video is not really doing this tomato any justice, but I'm telling you, it is huge. Fresh time. Fine. And this is one bag of corn. This is a size bag of corn. Here with you all. This is just some of, what we're gonna give friends. We can't just have it all for ourselves. We have to share the blessing. And this nice, beautiful cantaloupe. You know what? I'm gonna take you all inside so you can see the rest of this. All right, so come with me. Blessing after blessing, and nothing can hold it back. What is for me, oh yes it will be. Me not gonna make them steal my joy, steal my joy, steal my joy. This is the callaloo or the ilaloo. And we have some purple cabbage, regular cabbage, cantaloupe, watermelon.
Sugar baby.
Oh, what you got, sugar baby? Oh, sugar baby melon. Okay. I hope you guys like it. Be blessed.